to give you an update on my solar heat boxes. Here's the first one I built with cans and the UV plastic cover. And over here, two smaller ones. First I built one with cans, and I built one with screen, and I put the screen at the angle so the sun hits it. If you can see it. So the bottom is out farther. And I got two layers of screen on the front and the back of the piece I put in there. And I got my solar panel to charge the battery inside. So I'll show you inside. Okay, so we're inside. I got these in the back of my shop. There's the two small ones coming in. Cans. Oh, it's 25 degrees Fahrenheit outside. I'm getting 141 on the one with the cans. I'm getting 60 degrees Celsius, which is 140. So they're somewhat even, which the other day the one with the screen was hotter, but the sun wasn't out as much. So I'll have to see. I think I'm gonna use the screen because it's a lot easier, and it seems to be getting a higher temp at lower sunlight. I got this thermometer over here on the other side of the room, you see, and it's 50 degrees in here, which is normally about 46 degrees, so I'm getting some increase. It was also only like 17 degrees last night, so I think it's actually putting some heat in here. This is the bigger one I got out there with cans with a solar screen, and that's 129 degrees Fahrenheit out there. There's my relay. That says 55 Celsius, which is 131. So from smaller ones I forgot to tell you, I get glass on the outside. So it's the glass is definitely helping to get warmer too. Over here I got my battery, solar panel, the smart charger so it don't overcharge. It gets up to about 12.5 volts. So it's draining a little bit. I have to wash it and see. It looks like it's keeping it charged up enough so I won't have problems. I got a little camera so in the house I can watch it throughout the day today to see what it does. But it's around 12 o'clock, a little after 12, I think. It's been running and it hasn't shut off my relays because I have a 10-degree on-off setting, so it has to raise 10 degrees before it turns on, and it's not dropping. The temperature is actually raising right now, so it's not shutting off. If it gets a little cloudy, it has to get down to 37 Celsius to turn off. So I think it'll constantly blow heat out for the most part of the day. I think that is why it is getting more heat in here. Before, I didn't have that setting on the relay. It was only 2 degrees up and down, and it kept shutting on and off, and it wasn't really pushing much heat out of the box. So this is going to be a good test today. Also, I forgot to mention, I do have radiant heat in here, but I do have it turned down to about 41 degrees. So I would say that these heaters, 3 heaters, are putting decent heat in here, and that the radiant heat is not turning on. So I was shooting for 60 degrees, but we'll see it towards the end of the day if it gets a little warmer. But at least the heater's not kicking on, and it's not real cold in here because it's 25 outside, so I'd say it's helping.